Look, tell me honestly if this feels a little too familiar. You wake up on a Monday morning, hit snooze twice, then stare at your ceiling, wondering how the weekend felt like a 45-second YouTube ad. You drag yourself out of bed, half awake, half annoyed, grab a coffee that doesn't even taste good anymore, and then commute in traffic that feels like a punishment for simply existing. You reach the office, open your laptop, and boom, your inbox looks like a digital battlefield. 17 unread emails, 4 urgent tasks from people who didn't plan ahead, and a message from your boss asking for a file that you know was literally attached in yesterday's email, but they didn't see it. By 11:45 p.m., in between a meeting that absolutely could have been an email and a lunch break that tastes like surrender, you look up at the ceiling and whisper to yourself, "Is this really my life for the next 30 years?" If you've ever had that moment, congratulations. That's your brain trying to save you. And you're not crazy for wanting out. You're human, and humans aren't designed for 40-year work marathons. Today, I'm going to show you 5 brutally real reasons why you should retire sooner than society told you. Not at 65, not when your back hurts, not when you finally paid off everything, but earlier, much earlier. So you are in Deloria's channel, and I spend way too much time thinking about retirement, financial independence, and why millions of people stay stuck in jobs that drain their time, energy, creativity, and sometimes their soul. If you're someone who feels trapped in the 9-to-5 cycle, if you keep telling yourself, "I'll retire someday," but deep down you know someday is just code for never, then hit that subscribe button because today's video might literally shift your life's timeline. Because today we're breaking down the 5 real reasons you should retire as soon as you possibly can. Emotionally, financially, biologically, and mathematically. This isn't about being irresponsible, this isn't about laziness, this is about reclaiming the one thing you'll never get back, your time. Reason 1, time doesn't scale, money does. Here's something the corporate world will never tell you. Money is infinite, time is not. You can always make more money, you can never make more time. Every single year that passes is not just a number, it's a disappearing asset. Most people spend their healthiest, strongest, happiest, most energetic years sitting in a chair, staring at a glowing rectangle, answering emails that won't matter in 24 hours. Think about this. Your 20s are traded for experience. Your 30s are traded for promotions. Your 40s are traded for stability, your 50s are traded for health benefits, your 60s are allowed to retire when your knees hurt and your energy has left the chat. And by the time you're finally free, many people don't even have the energy left to enjoy the freedom they worked for. Now here's the math that hits hardest. If you invest $1,000 at age 25, at a simple 7% return, it becomes $15,000 by 65. Invest the same $1,000 at 55, you barely get $1,967. The earlier you stop trading time for money, the more of your compounding curve you actually get to enjoy while you're young enough to enjoy it. People think early retirement is a luxury. No, it's a timeline choice. And choosing time early is the single greatest ROI of your life. Reason 2, your job is riskier than the stock market. Most people believe the stock market is risky. But let me ask you this. What's truly more dangerous? A diversified portfolio of thousands of companies or a single paycheck controlled by one boss? Jobs feel stable, but they're actually the most fragile thing in your life. One manager changes, job gone. One recession, job gone. One merger, job gone. One health issue, job gone. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average job lasts about 4.1 years. That means the place you're giving your life to probably won't even keep you until retirement. Meanwhile, the US stock market has a 100% success rate of going up over any 20-year period in history. Your job can't guarantee next month, the market can guarantee decades. Here's the real truth. When you retire early or even just hit financial independence, your life becomes diversified. You're no longer depending on a single point of failure. You reduce job risk, income risk, health risk, mental stress risk. Early retirement is not risky, depending on a paycheck forever is. Reason number 3, you're not retiring from work. You're retiring into life. People think retirement means beach, golf, boredom, TV, repeat. No, that's not retirement. That's escapism. Real retirement means freedom to choose, freedom to create, freedom to rest, and freedom to live. Most early retirees don't retire to do nothing. They've retired to do the things they never had time for. Some start businesses, some travel, some spend more time with their kids, some pick up creative passions, writing, photography, building, teaching. You don't lose your identity when you retire, you expand it. Because once survival is taken care of, meaning takes over. And here's the crazy part. Most early retirees end up earning money again, but after retiring. Why? Because their mind is finally free, their creativity isn't crushed by deadlines, their energy isn't drained by commutes, their ideas actually get time to breathe. You stop chasing money, you start choosing purpose, and purpose pays better. Reason number 4, work stress is quietly killing you. Here's a stat that will shock you. Workplace stress contributes to 120,000 deaths per year and $190 billion in health costs. Your job is not just tiring you, it's aging you, silently, slowly, dangerously. Cortisol stays high, inflammation stays high, your sleep quality drops, your immunity drops, your motivation drops, your mental clarity disappears. And because the stress is constant, you don't notice it. It becomes normal, invisible, expected. But your body feels it. In the moment people retire early, even if they retire imperfectly, their biology changes. Blood pressure drops, heart rate improves, depression decreases, sleep becomes deeper, creativity returns, anxiety dissolves. Your nervous system finally gets a break after decades of survival mode. Early retirement isn't just financial, it's medical, it's mental, it's biological. Reason number 5, the cost of waiting is higher than the cost of starting. Most people don't retire early because they need more money, but what they don't see is that the real danger is waiting. Watch how brutal the math gets. You want $1 million by age 55. If you start at 25, you invest $1,100 a month. Start at 35, you need $2,300 a month. Start at 45, you need $5,700 a month. Start at 50, good luck. Waiting multiplies your workload, waiting kills your timeline, waiting destroys your future compounding. But the psychological cost is even worse. Every time you delay, your brain creates excuses. I'll start when I earn more. I'll start after this trip. I'll start after the festival. I'll start when life calms down. Life never calms down, life only accelerates. Early retirement doesn't start with money. It starts with urgency, with one small action today, not tomorrow. Actionable steps to retire earlier than you think. Let's get practical. Here's your blueprint. 1. Know your FI number. FI equals financial independence. Formula is simple. FI number equals yearly expenses times 25. Spend $40,000 a year, need $1 million. Spend $25,000 a year, need $625K. Expenses matter more than income. 2. Use a 3-fund portfolio. Simple, boring, legendary. U.S. total stock market, international stocks, U.S. bonds. Proven over 50+ years. 3. Automate 20 to 40% investing. Your future self is begging you for this. Automate it through a 401k, IRA or Roth IRA, brokerage account, HSA. Set it, forget it, let compounding do the heavy lifting. 4. Kill lifestyle creep. Your income went up, your expenses don't need to. Every time you upgrade your lifestyle, you downgrade your retirement timeline. 5. Build one side income stream. Not 10, just one. Freelance, digital product, coaching, editing, e-commerce, anything. An extra $1,000 a month can shave years off your retirement date. So here's the final part, why you must start now. Retiring early isn't about quitting work, it's about starting life. Most people think early retirement is for lucky people. No, it's for people who refuse to sleepwalk through life. People who understand that time is more valuable than salary. People who'd rather live intentionally than accidentally. People who know that someday isn't a plan, it's a trap. Here's the truth. If you don't choose your retirement date, the world will choose it for you, and you won't like the date they pick. So start now. Start messy. Start small. Start scared, but start. Your future self, older, wiser, calmer, will look back and whisper, "Thank you for not wasting another 10 years." If this video gave you clarity or even a small kick in the right direction, hit subscribe and comment. I'm retiring sooner. Because you are. And your time is too precious to waste.